video na ito ay tungkol sa pag-uwi namin sa Pinas last year, August 2020, including our 10 days quarantine experience and all.
So empty. Look, there's almost no one. Where are these people? Ayan guys, andito na kami sa aming hotel, accredited hotel. So actually hindi ganito yung binook namin na hotel kasi nagbook kami ng hotel na may 2 room. Pero na fully booked, kaya ito yung binigay sa amin. My God. Say hello everybody.
Hello everybody!
So ayan guys, it's our we arrived yesterday here in Cebu around 11 to 12 noon. And then we arrived here in the hotel. Maybe it was already 2 to 3 o'clock in the afternoon because of the long processing in the airport. Yung mga checking doon ng mga documents. Grabe. So after that, knockdown talaga kami after sa aming super jet lag, super stressful ang biyahe, nakakamatay. So knockdown, tulog kaming lahat. Tapos nagising kami gabing-gabi na. Kaya ngayon, almost 3 a.m. na dito, we're still, alive, char. I mean, we are still awake. Hindi kami makatulog. Nag-a-adjust pa kami sa oras. So, as in, super, super duper stressful yung biyahe, guys. Actually, hindi ko siya ma-explain. Kasi we had a really bad experience sa aming pagta-travel bago kami nakarating dito sa Cebu. But anyway, quarantined for 10 days, 9 nights and 10 days. And it's so boring right here. As in, super boring. So, bali, day 2 namin ngayon. Pero, para sa akin, parang 2 years na. Very, boring as in. For now, we are still awake. My kids are awake. There, Johan is awake. Nag-a-adjust talaga kami ngayon dito sa oras. Ayan, inaantok na siya. So, ngayon, 3 a.m., mag-snack kami. Nag-order ako sa Food Panda. First time kong mag-order online about groceries. So, basta, grabe yung experience, nakakaloka. Ayan, nood-nood na lang ng TV. Tsaka, wide open yung window namin. Tignan mo sa labas. At sobrang tahimik na ng mga tao. Kami na lang talaga ang gising. Oh my God. Yung mga anak ko, wala nang planong matulog. Oh my God. At 3 o'clock in the morning, they are eating pancit canton. Pancit canton is life, anak. Yummy? Yeah. And Hannah, it's yummy? Oh, wow. Yung parang 10 years hindi nakatikim ng pancit canton, oh. Hello. Yes, that is Johanna. She loves pancit canton. And Johanna is also. Paggabi gising, pag morning, kami, tulog. Our day 3 of 10. Staying in this so boring, like a presso. What a boring 10 days ever.
Thirsty!
So, ayan everyone, it's day 5 of our quarantine. Pagigising lang namin. Uy, Kalahati na lang, tapos na, makakauwi na rin. Oh my gosh. Pagka-boring nga. 5 days more to go. Oh my God. Wala lang, pares-parehas lang yung mga daily routine. Walang magawa, kain, tulog. Ayun, titingin-tingin sa bintana, nagbibilang ng mga sasakyan na dumadaan, nagbibilang ng mga buhok namin. Ay, kakaloka. Kakabaliw. Ayoko na talaga. Kakatrauma umuwi. Kung hindi lang dahil sa family ko, never ako uuwi talaga sa during pandemic eh. Pero no choice. Sige lang, para sa family. Go lang, kakayanin. Mouth. Mouth tanan? Mouth and nose.
Kabata daw naka-mouth.
I just good, Papa.
Hannah finger, where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? So it's day 8 now and it's raining outside, but I don't care. I don't care. So guys, day 10 na ngayon. Day 10 na. We're going home. We're so ready. At pauwi na talaga guys. This is it, Pansit. We are in Cebu. Yay! And the new bridge coming soon. Ayan guys. Nagre-ready na para makaalis. So, ang daming mga mga sasakyan. Kasi ito na lang yung port na natitirang open for now dahil nga sa lockdown. As in guys, super empty. Walang kuan. Dilim. Yan. Diyan na kami ako. Ayan na. Andito na nga kami. Hindi na mapipigilan. Negros na. Yay! Together again! We're here! Home sweet home! Yay! We're here! Welcome home! Nice! They made an effort! Wow! Thank you guys! Wow! Siyempre, pinahanda ko agad ang aking mga paborito. Ayan, may kinilaw. Ayan, may grilled fish, guys. Pakbit. Ayan, at saka siyempre, itong mga favorite kong isda. Like that, yung pula. My goodness. Ay, ano yan? Grilled tuna sa sashimi na super fresh. At hindi mawawala yung steamed okra, guys. At syempre, magsalad din kasi para healthy pa rin. Yan, let's lamon-lamon na.
At ito talaga yung pinaka namimiss ko sa umaga, yung pagbungad mo, itong view na ito talaga ang bubulaga sa'yo. Syempre, di pwede walang tea. Super natural na tea yan, guys. Ayan, di ba? Super ganda. Oh my God. Ay, naku guys, super ganda talaga. There's no place like home. I love it. Anyway guys, thank you for watching.